Welcome to Go Explorefy, where every journey begins with inspiration. In today's episode, we unlock the doors to Berlin, Germany's vibrant capital. A city layered in history, buzzing with art, and brimming with stories waiting to be discovered. From the echoes of the past at the Brandenburg Gate to the urban vibes of Alexanderplatz, this 3-day guide will take you through the heart of Berlin, crafted for explorers seeking beauty, depth, and cultural charm. Let's begin your unforgettable 3-day journey through Berlin. This video is sponsored by the Fire Digital, your all-in-one marketing solution. From branding and logo design to powerful websites, getting your site found on Google with SEO, and even video editing, they provide everything you need to grow your business online. Visit www.thefiredigital.com. The link's in the description. Best time to visit. The best months to explore Berlin are May to June and September to October. During these seasons, the city enjoys mild weather, blooming parks, and fewer crowds. Summer is popular but can be busy and expensive, while winter transforms the city with Christmas markets and chilly charm. Where to stay? Mid is perfect if you want to stay close to Berlin's historical heart. Prices range from $120 to $250 per night. For a more creative, youthful vibe, try Kreuzberg, with boutique stays around $80 to $150 per night. Prenzlauer Berg is quieter and ideal for families or couples, offering cozy guest houses for around $90 to $180. How to get around? Berlin's public transportation is one of Europe's best. Purchase a Berlin Welcome Card for unlimited metro, bus, and tram travel. A 72-hour pass costs around $30 and also gives you discounts on top attractions. Day 1. Timeless Berlin, monuments, museums, and iconic squares. Morning, Brandenburg Gate and Reichstag building. Begin your day at the Brandenburg Gate, Berlin's most iconic landmark. Once a symbol of division, it now represents peace and unity. Arrive early before 9 a.m. to enjoy the square in serenity and get unobstructed photos. From there, take a 10-minute walk to the Reichstag building. Its glass dome offers sweeping views over Berlin, and the symbolism of transparency in government is powerful. Admission is free, but you must book in advance online for the dome visit. You can also opt for a guided tour if you want deeper historical insight. Expect to pay around $15 to $20. Mid-morning, breakfast at Café Einstein unter den Linden. Just a 5-minute stroll from the Brandenburg Gate, this elegant spot offers a classic German breakfast. Enjoy a dish of scrambled eggs with bread and salad, or a fresh fruit bowl with muesli and yogurt. Pair it with herbal tea or a hot chocolate. Expect to spend around $15 to $20. Afternoon, Museum Island and Berlin Cathedral. Head toward the Spree River to explore Museum Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site housing 5 world-class museums. For this visit, start with the Pergamon Museum, famous for its monumental Ishtar Gate, and continue to the Neues Museum for ancient Egyptian treasures. Entry per museum is around $15 to $18, but you can purchase a Museum Island Day Pass for $22 to $25, which covers them all. Then visit the Berlin Cathedral, Berliner Dom, located right next to the museums. The majestic dome, the detailed Baroque architecture, and the peaceful crypt below make this visit memorable. Climbing to the top offers a stunning 360-degree view of the city. Entry is around $9 or free with the welcome card. Late afternoon, stroll through unter den Linden Boulevard. After immersing in art and history, walk along the elegant Unter den Linden Boulevard. This historic street stretches from the Brandenburg Gate to Museum Island and is lined with stunning architecture, bookstores, and hidden cafés. This is a great spot for souvenir shopping, snapping photos, and just soaking in the local rhythm. Evening, Alexanderplatz and Berlin TV Tower viewpoint. End your day at the vibrant Alexanderplatz, Berlin's central square. Here you'll find the iconic Fernsehturm TV Tower, one of Europe's tallest structures. For panoramic views, take the lift to the observation deck. Admission is around $22 if booked online. Go right before sunset to see the city transform in golden light. Dinner at Mitt's Food Court or sit-down restaurant. Skip the nightlife scene and opt for a relaxed, cozy dinner. Head to the Hackescher Market area, known for its relaxed vibe and casual eateries. Try a bowl of seasonal vegetable risotto, grilled fish with herbs, or a warm lentil dish with sourdough. A fulfilling meal will cost around $20 to $30. That wraps up your day 1 in Berlin, a rich blend of history, culture, and skyline beauty. Stay tuned for day 2, where we'll dive into Berlin's edgy art scenes, colorful neighborhoods, and hidden local gems. Day 2, Berlin's creative soul, street art, parks, and local culture. Morning, East Side Gallery. Begin your second day with a powerful reminder of Berlin's resilience. Head to the East Side Gallery, the longest remaining stretch of the Berlin Wall, now transformed into a vibrant open-air art gallery. Over 100 murals by artists from around the globe cover this 1.3-kilometer stretch, each a message of freedom, unity, and hope. It's best to arrive early, around 8:30 to 9 a.m., to avoid the crowds and capture uninterrupted photos. Entry is free, and the experience is priceless. Mid-morning, breakfast at Silo Coffee, Friedrichshain. A 10-minute walk from the East Side Gallery brings you to Silo Coffee, a local favorite in the artsy Friedrichshain district. Their brunch menu is perfect for starting your day strong. Think smashed avocado on sourdough, shakshuka, or cinnamon porridge with fresh fruit. You'll find hearty, vegetarian-friendly options here. Expect to spend around $15 to $20 per person. Late morning, Urban Spree and Raw Galanda. Walk off breakfast by heading to Urban Spree, a cultural space within the Raw Galanda complex. This gritty, graffiti-covered area is a hub for Berlin's underground art scene. Explore contemporary murals, pop-up exhibitions, indie design shops, and a laid-back garden cafe if you need a break. Admission to the area is free, though some exhibitions may charge around $5. Afternoon, Tiergarten and Victory Column. Next, take a train or tram to Tiergarten, Berlin's largest inner-city park. It's a green oasis filled with winding paths, open meadows, lakes, and historic statues. Start your walk at the Victory Column, Siegessaal. You can climb the spiral staircase, 285 steps, for sweeping views over the park and city for about $5. Then enjoy a relaxing walk or rent a bike for $10 to $15 for the afternoon and explore deeper into the park. This is also a great spot for a picnic lunch. Pick up a fresh falafel wrap, grilled veggie sandwich, or fruit box from a nearby vendor or grocery store for $10 to $15. Late afternoon, Bellevue Palace. As you stroll west through Tiergarten, you'll come across the stunning Bellevue Palace, the official residence of Germany's president. While the interior is not open to the public, its neoclassical architecture and immaculate gardens are a beautiful sight. It's a great spot for photos and a moment of rest on the lawns. Free to access and ideal for a peaceful break. Evening, Kurfürstendamm Boulevard, Kudamm. Spend your evening on Kurfürstendamm, Berlin's most stylish boulevard. This long avenue is lined with flagship stores, boutiques, and bookstores. Even if you're not shopping, the window displays and bustling vibe are worth the stroll. Nearby, you'll find the Kaiser Wilhelm Memorial Church, a poignant structure left partly ruined after World War II, a reminder of the city's resilience. Dinner at Margelchen, Charlottenburg. Cap off your day with a hearty, traditional German meal at Margelchen, tucked into a charming corner of Charlottenburg. Their menu features grilled fish with dill sauce, stuffed vegetables, and roasted potatoes, perfect for a halal-conscious traveler. The ambience is warm and rustic, and service is known to be excellent. Expect to spend around $25 to $35 for a full meal. That's day 2 in Berlin, an artistic and cultural journey through the city's creative pulse and leafy green spaces. Day 3, hidden gems and local life in Berlin. Morning, Tempelhofer Feld, the runway park. Begin your final day at Tempelhofer Feld, Berlin's former airport turned massive public park. Here, old runways now host cyclists, skaters, kite flyers, and families out for a stroll. It's the perfect place to soak in local life. Rent a bike or bring walking shoes to explore the vast open spaces. You'll find picnic tables, community gardens, and locals jogging or playing sports. Bike rental nearby costs about $10 to $15 for a few hours. The peaceful vibe here is a refreshing contrast to the city's bustle, Berliners come to relax, and so should you. Mid-morning, breakfast at Luftgarten Café. Right inside Tempelhoferfeld is Luftgarten, a chilled-out cafe with rustic benches, shaded seating, and wholesome food. Try their fresh bread with cheese or egg spread, fruit bowls, or herb-seasoned potatoes with a hot coffee or smoothie. It's a relaxed start to the day and won't cost more than $10 to $15 per person. Late morning, Kreuzberg exploration. Hop on the U-Bahn or bike over to Kreuzberg, one of Berlin's most eclectic districts. Start at Gorlitzer Park, then wander the vibrant streets filled with street art, quirky shops, and vintage stores. Head to Markthal Noon, a local market that comes alive with street food and produce stalls. While the full food hall vibe is best on Thursdays, there's always something fresh to snack on. Grab a warm falafel wrap or a baked good for $5 to $8. This part of the city reflects Berlin's multicultural soul, perfect for wandering without a strict itinerary. Afternoon, Jewish Museum Berlin. Walk or take a short ride to the Jewish Museum, one of the most architecturally impressive museums in Europe. Designed by Daniel Libeskind, the building itself tells a story. Zigzagging halls, voids of silence, and stark concrete all symbolize Germany's complex Jewish history. Inside, interactive exhibits trace thousands of years of Jewish life in Germany, as well as sobering reminders of the Holocaust. Set aside at least 90 minutes here. Tickets cost about $10 and are well worth it. Lunch, Mustafa's Gemüse Kebab. A Berlin legend. Just a few minutes from a museum is Mustafa's Gemüse Kebab, famous for their delicious vegetable-loaded doner-style wraps. Lines are common, but they move quickly and are part of the experience. Get the veggie kebab or falafel version if you prefer. Total cost, $5 to $7. Delicious, filling, and budget-friendly. Late afternoon, Checkpoint Charlie and Friedrichstrasse. Now head to Checkpoint Charlie, the historic Cold War border crossing. Though the original booth is gone, a replica stands in its place, and the nearby wall museum details stories of escape, espionage, and divided Berlin. Museum entry is around $15, and if you're a history enthusiast, it's a must. From there, stroll along Friedrichstrasse, Berlin's elegant shopping avenue. Stop into bookstores, local fashion boutiques, or simply enjoy the city buzz. Evening, dinner at Nani Berlin, vegan-friendly options. Wrap up your Berlin journey at Nani, a rooftop restaurant at the 25 Hours Hotel overlooking the city. With Middle Eastern and Mediterranean influences, their menu includes grilled vegetables, tahini sauces, hummus, and fresh salads, perfect for halal-conscious diners. The view alone is worth it, but the food is equally memorable. Expect to spend $25 to $40 per person. Optional cultural finale, Berliner Philharmonie. If you're up for one last treat, check the evening performance schedule at the Berliner Philharmonie. Renowned for its acoustics and architecture, a concert here is a beautiful way to say goodbye to the city. Tickets start around $20 to $30, depending on the program and seating. And that wraps up Day 3 in Berlin, a mix of peaceful parks, hidden gems, authentic food, and culture-rich moments. Berlin, a city that whispers stories from every street corner, where echoes of the past dance with the pulse of the present. Over 3 unforgettable days, you've stood before ancient gates, wandered open-air galleries, tasted world-famous street eats, and felt history woven into every brick and boulevard. From the grandeur of Museum Island to the street art-laced walls of Kreuzberg, from serene morning walks across Tempelhof's old runways to golden hour reflections atop the TV tower, you've not just visited Berlin, you've experienced it. And while our journey through the German capital may be ending, yours is only just beginning. There's always more to discover, more hidden cafes, more local legends, more stories waiting just around the corner. If this itinerary helps shape your adventure, give this video a like and subscribe to Go Explorefy for more curated journeys, travel guides, and tips from around the world. Got your own favorite Berlin moment? Share it in the comments. We love hearing your stories too. Until next time, pack light, travel deep, and keep exploring. Auf Wiedersehen, and see you on the next adventure, only on Go Explorefy.